Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer coins and USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So first you need to open or log into your Binance account, and then you need to navigate to wallet, look for fiat and spot, and then this time you have to look for a deposit. So select the coin you want to deposit, let's just say USDT, tap on USDT here. And then after that, you can choose the correct network, for example, TRC20, ERC20. And once done, and then what you're going to do is you have to copy the address. So for example, I'm going to tap on USDT, on chain wallet, tap on TRC20, and then I should see the address or the deposit address right away. I'm going to copy this one. So once you have your deposit address, then you can now open your Tonkeeper wallet. Take note, always select the network compatible with your Tonkeeper wallet to avoid lost funds. Launch the Tonkeeper and then go to wallet holding the coin you want to transfer. For example, USDT. So I'm going to scroll down here and look for USDT. Now I'm going to tap on send. And then here on the send section, what I'm going to do is paste the deposit address that I have copied earlier from Binance. And then after that, I'm going to add or enter the amount. Once I have added the amount, I need to confirm the network compatibility and double check everything. Reboot instruction, confirm the transfer in Timekeeper, and then you will see the USDT. You just have to wait for that. Just go to your Binance and check if your USDT is already there. So this is how easy it is to transfer coins in USDT from Timekeeper to Binance. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.